Hey everyone, we are so excited to be here with Stuart Woodbury, one of our new partners in the Dentist Advisors Partner Program. Stuart is founder and runs and manages low-cost life insurance. And it is a business that we have been very interested into introducing into our portfolio of partners and have never done. And really excited to be here with Stuart and talk a little bit about his business, or at least let him introduce his business. So Stuart, really excited to have you on board.
Spencer, it's my pleasure. It's great to be with you today. And when I founded my company in 1985, one of the things that I constantly ran into, a couple things. One, all too often people were sold the wrong type of insurance, and they really never knew exactly what they had. And so I identified that as, I'm going to age myself, Spencer, going back to the yellow pages and to the white pages. And so there's lots and lots of insurance, and even today, there's lots of platforms that offer insurance. I just believe all too often, the type of insurance that's being offered is the wrong type. And so I think when you get into not all, but most of the insurance advisors, insurance agents in today's marketplace are going to be talking about the idea of capturing the insurance and the investments from within the same offering. In other words, a whole life policy, a UL, universal life, indexed universal life. There's all kinds of different names of the products. But in my view, the one consistent, the one consistent component of those plans is they don't perform very well, and the fees and the expenses are so high. So when I founded my company again in 1985, I was identifying what is the role, that life insurance serves. And for most folks, the reason you buy life insurance is because you're worried about having your family taken care of if you die prematurely, right? So, to me, life insurance is a risk management tool. It is not an investment. You don't buy insurance to accumulate wealth. There's other platforms, 401k, and different investment alternatives, such as your firm, that will be able to provide that level of service. To me, the insurance serves as one spoke on the overall financial planning wheel, and that is the risk management. So we identified that as the role that life insurance serves. And then we said, well, gosh, to me, the important thing to bring is objectivity, and giving people an unbiased analysis of what the marketplace rates look like. So it was key, clear back in 85, again, when I founded my company, the key there was to be an independent agency that has lots of choices. And then we went to market and provided that unbiased analysis of the different life insurance, term life insurance. Back in the day, and once again, Spencer, I'm going to age myself. Back in the day, all we really had, there was no level term. So we would do 1 year term policies because the alternative to 1 year term was whole life. That's not an alternative. And then every couple years, we would move the policy to a different insurance company because you would get that lower going in. If you could provide evidence of insurability, you could then secure a lower premium. Well, then the insurance companies finally thought, maybe it would be a good idea to provide folks level premium term plans. And so they came out with 10-year term. Eventually, the products extended to 15 and 20. And in today's marketplace, Spencer, there are 30-year, clear out to 40-year guaranteed level term plans that will offset that risk. So to me, again, with the identifying the insurance products being the risk management tool, eventually you get to a stage. So my encouragement to folks is, into your early and mid 70s and beyond, when you think about it, the need for life insurance over time will go away, right? The risk model that presents itself then versus now is starkly different. Once you've accumulated enough wealth, you've
Mm.
paid down debt, your kiddos are grown and gone. What do you need life insurance then for? Most folks, not to say that there may not, in an isolated occurrence, but in that case, at least for income replacement purposes, the need for the life insurance over time goes away. So that's one of the things that we have identified as the real role and purpose for insurance. We think buying term insurance and investing the difference is the platform that we
Mhm.
always recommend. And ultimately, that's the role that it, again, the role that it plays.
Yeah, fantastic, Stuart. What a great introduction. We have a lot of great content that's going to be coming from Stuart as we here at Dentist Advisors get together with Stuart and talk about some of the opportunities here and ways to be safe and at the same time invest properly. We're really excited to have Stuart on board. Um, Feel free to check him out on our site here at dentistadvisors.com, as well as Stuart's site at lowcostlifeinsurance.com. And you can schedule a consultation with him. And those details are also here on our site as well. Stuart, thanks so much for spending some time with us.
Well, Spencer, it's my pleasure. And if you don't mind, is it okay if I add one more thing?
Yeah, absolutely.
And that is one of the things that I wanted to that I forgot when we were speaking earlier is the annual reviews.
Mm.
And for most good financial advisors contact their clients at least once or twice a year, and I think life insurance falls into that same category. And once again, one of the things that I tried to do when I founded my company, to be different, and create value for our customers, is to do life insurance. Most people don't realize or remember what they have. And so I wanted to make myself different. I wanted to contact our clients yearly, which we do for every single client every year. We do a review. We make sure, are we still on track? Is the amount of insurance still appropriate? Have we covered the right term? Something as simple as, if you do estate planning and you get a new trust, revocable living trust, did you remember to change the beneficiary? What about, it's hard to receive, to pay a bill if you don't receive it? What if you've moved? Do we have the current contact information on file? So I think it's just critically important to work with insurance folks that are there for you, that will provide that level of service and create that value add. So on the tail end of the conversation today, Spencer, I wanted to add that in. Thank you for allowing me to do that.
Yeah, you got it, Stuart. Thanks so much for joining us, and we look forward to working a lot more with you.
Spencer, it's my pleasure. Look forward to it as well.
Thank you.